Hey guys, we're back with the EVO build. It's been really cold in the UK the past couple of weeks. It's been hitting like -3 and it's making it really hard to do any sort of work, especially in here. Basically it's like a fridge in here. So I actually got us a little diesel heater to try and take the edge off. I'll be honest, it's not doing much, but better than nothing. So yeah, I've just been getting a bit agitated not working on the car because of how cold it is. So I think today we'll crack on. The plan's to drop the fuel tank, get it out of the car, and hopefully where the fuel tank is now, above that, hopefully the chassis is all good. If it is, I'd be happy to start sort of refurbishing the chassis, and yeah, let's crack on getting the tank off. Well, that's the fuel filler neck off, guys, if you can see. I've actually found you can get a brand new one of these on order, so I'm just gonna get a brand new one. It's not worth trying to restore that, it's pretty rusty. So yeah. Okay, so after many hours of grinding away, we've got pretty much all of that underseal removed. Obviously this is where the fuel tank was, so this didn't need any prep doing really. Pretty clean under here. I'm gonna keep this as is. I'm only gonna go as far as like here, because all of this doesn't need redoing. There's no rust or anything around here. I'm happy with the way it all looks on the midsection, so I don't want to have to remove all this underseal, because for one, it would take too long, and for two, it would be a bit too in depth for what I really wanted for this project. I feel like I'm already way past what I wanted to be doing with it, but I feel like if you're going to do something, you've got to do it to the best of your ability. So yeah, I didn't want to leave the old underseal on here and repaint over the top, because you never know, if there was any rust hiding, I wouldn't have been able to see it, and then, you know, in a few years it might turn really bad. So structurally, I'm actually pretty happy. I've cleaned all the wheel wells here, arches. They're going to get painted the same as what is going under here. I think I've decided black. I think that's the colour we're going to go for. So yeah, doesn't look great at the minute, but it's not gonna, it's sort of just bare metal. I'm gonna give it a quick sand within like this coming week, just to get it all super smooth, and then yeah, it's ready for paint. So that's it for this episode, guys. Might be a couple of weeks till you next see a video from me, as I need to get sort of someone in to paint this for me and pick the right paint that I want. So yeah, I think for now I've just got a couple of little bits to you know, to attend to, and then it'll be ready to paint. So you'll probably see that in the next episode. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate the likes and the comments that I get on the videos, and yeah, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.